Hello everyone, welcome to Homestyler 101, and here I will be teaching you how to create a virtual tour of your 3D design. So first, you have to create a panorama view. So you'll be going to render and go to panorama. And then it is important that you position your cursor, this one, in the middle of the room. So when the panorama is rendered, it will turn around like this. There you go. So go to quality, click on the HD. Make sure this one would appear. And then select your preferred lighting and environment. So I wanted green grass. And click on render. Then you have to go to view images. And here I have already rendered in advance. So I have rendered two areas, this one, the balcony, and the laundry area. So going back to view images, there you go. We will now go to the 720 virtual tour and create virtual tour. Here you will see some legends. Starting point is the orange one, and then we have the selected, the blue one. So our starting point, I want it to be this one, and then the second one is this, and generate. And here we go. So you can see it's beginning to turn around. You can actually also do a manual click if you wanted to. And then you will see that there is here a laundry area where you can click and it will jump to this space, which would again turn around, and you can also do a manual click for faster access. There you go. And that's it. Very easy. So see you on our next tutorials. Bye bye.